We're gathered here today to unite Roma and Kate in marriage. This contract is not to be entered into lightly, but thoughtfully and seriously with a deep realization of its obligations and responsibilities. Please remember that love, loyalty, and understanding are the foundations of a happy and enduring home. Do you, Roma, willingly take Kate to be your lawfully wedded partner, to have and to hold, in sickness and in health, in good times and woe, richer or poorer, keeping yourself unto her for as long as you both shall live?
I do. I do.
Do you, Kate, willingly take Roma to be your lawfully wedded partner, to have and to hold, in sickness and in health, in good times and woe, keeping yourself unto them for as long as you both shall live?
I do. I do.
Alright, it's now time to exchange your rings. I, Roma,
I, Roma,
give you this ring
give this ring
as a symbol of my love and commitment.
as a symbol of my love and commitment. With this ring, I do.
I, Kate,
Give you this ring
give you this ring
as a symbol of my love and commitment.
as a symbol of my love and commitment.
With this ring, I declare.
With this ring, I do it.
It's my pleasure to pronounce you by the authority vested in me by the state of Utah, partners in life. And you may kiss your partner.
Malaki ang cake na isusubo mo kay cake. Alam, sinubsub na. Ganun daw kalaki yung pagmamahal mo sa kanya. Ang laki naman. Here's to good health, good luck, and prosperity to Oms and Kate. 2, 3, cheers!
O yung iba, di maiintindihan. Pero kami, alam nyo yan. Kami ni Vice. In behalf of Vice nga pala, pinaparating niya sa inyo na congratulations. And alam mo yun, Oms, na love kayo ni Vice.
Naiiyak ako kasi wala kanyang mama. Talagang kahit saan siguro ang aking kapatid, masaya siya para sa kanyang mga anak. Na alas lahat naman kanyang anak na 5 ay naging okay naman ang kanilang buhay. Niningi ko sa Panginoon Diyos sa aking mga pamangkin, bigyan siya ng katuwang sa kanyang buhay. Alam natin, ito siya. Kain ko ba na magkakaroon siya ng partner ng buhay? Na alam ko pagtanda ng aking pamangkin, meron siyang gagabay sa kanya. Kasi hindi ko naman mabibigay, hindi naman mabibigay ng atin niya, ng kuya niya, ng tatay niya, malibang na ko. Kapag siya meron karamdaman, yun na meron na siyang kabiyak na puso. Alam kong darating at pagtanda nila, sila pa rin. Mahal na mahal ko kayong dalawa.
Congrats sa inyong dalawa. Nakita ko yung journey niyo mula nung umpisa. Lalo kay Oms kasi mula high school magkaibigan kami. And lahat ng meron ka ngayon deserve mo kasi mabait kang tao. Walang magsasabi dito na hindi ka marunong makisama. Yun ang dala-dala mo.
Lahat ng tao dito, alam kung gano'ng kabuti, ka-genuine yung puso mo. Sobra. You both deserve each other. Sobra. At I love you both. Basta pag masaya kayo, masaya ako. Pagkakain ko siya, pinakain niyo.
Ngayon talagang kompleto na. Totoo lang, napaka-bless pamilya. Hindi lang sa pamilya namin, sa lahat ng mga kapag-anak. Kasi napagbigay nilang dalawa.